again still waiting for the price to hit my zone below, which is right here. In case you missed this zone, it's 1.957, goes down to 1.818, a zone from where we are going to look to enter our buy trade. Whole zone will be my buying zone, so I'm going to enter with bullish engulfers or my double bottom entry pattern. So once the price is inside the zone, I will only look for my buying condition. But I'm still paying attention to this zone, looking at the fact the price did reacted out of the zone in the past as a support and resistance. So that is why I'm paying attention to this zone. I'll be still looking to enter my buy trade with one of the entry condition like bullish engulfers or my double bottom entry pattern. So once we have that, I will enter my buy trade. I'm not taking this as an entry at this point because the market has already closed, and that is why I want to see how it opens. If it opens in gap down, that is likely, then I will be looking to enter my buy trades. A quick and early update here on net gas, gold, silver and crude oil. Starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? So as you can see, the price did respected my zone and pushed up 6%, and that is awesome as that was expected. But I personally did not enter this trade because I was waiting to enter in a less aggressive way, that would be bullish engulfer here. But right here we have a 382 candle, and shout out to my MMTA students that we have a 25% candle, and this is a strategy you will learn in the advanced section. If you are still not in there, that is something we call it, which is advanced multiple patterns reversal strategy. So that is something you will learn there. With that, we have a valid condition and price did pushed up, and that would be your take profit hit right here. If you are an aggressive trader, then you have made some money there, and if you follow me from a couple of months, then you had made a good money. So what to expect from here? As you can see, price pushed up, hit my level of resistance, the recent resistance from where the price did push down before right here. And that is why at this point, even though the price is now above 50 EMA, I want to see a good momentum above 50 EMA. If that happens, if we have another green candle, in that case we have a possible reversal situation, and I will only look for buy trades from now. As the price is above 50 EMA, price did bounced up from my level of support mentioned yesterday. All I want to see a clean break and close above this high. Once we have that, we have a likely chance that the price will push up and continue to push up in a trend. So again, that is a condition for buy, and as looking at the fact the price is at the level of trend continuation zone, that is also a level of resistance. As you can see, the price acted as a level of resistance, level of support from here. That is why I'm still paying attention to this level. If let's say we have next candle that closed as a bearish engulfer, a complete bearish engulfer, in that case we can have another push down and possible formation of double bottom. But if you do not have that condition, price dramatically push up, let's say form a bearish engulfer here, in that case I will still look for my sell condition. Don't get confused here. If you do not have any sort of sell condition, price keep on pushing up with green candles followed by with a pullback and then a green candle, in that case we are still good to go long. So that is what I'm looking for. Net gas, I will enter my trades accordingly. Buy with a pullback, bullish engulfer, or sell if you have a bearish engulfer here, or if you have a push up and bearish engulfer here. Let's check gold. Right, so gold is now in the level of trend continuation zone. It's still not broken below, and as you can see, we did not get any sort of entry confirmation. It is not a bullish engulfing candle right here on my platform, but I'm still looking for my buy opportunity. Let's say if this candle closes as a bullish engulfer, we have a good buy signal. Or if we have a push up, pull back, and a double bottom pattern like this, we have a buy condition. So we are still in the buying zone, not selling at this point until and unless we have a good break and close below 50 EMA with two red candles. If that happens, then we will use the zone above, which is 1990.14, goes up to 2005. Then we will use this zone as our trend continuation zone with a retest. Then we will only go short. So for now, I'm still looking for my buying opportunities. Let's check silver. Silver is above the level of trend continuation zone. We did not get big moves here on silver, same like gold. So still expecting a push up out of silver. Yes, we can get a retest of 50 EMA before the price can likely to push up from here. We already have the spin bar, and looking at that, I'm still expecting a price to push up from here. Let's check crude oil. Crude oil is still ranging in this box, so I'm still waiting for the price to break above or break below. We do have a level of big resistance, and that is a level from where the price has pushed down massively in the past. So that is why I'm expecting a price to push down from here. We do have a nice bearish engulfer here. Looking at the fact, I'm expecting a price to fall from here. If broke above this box right here, then we can push up to the upper level of this resistance, which is 83.21, from where we can expect another bearish engulfer. So keep an eye here. For condition breaks below here, then that's an entry to take your short if you want to enter in a less aggressive way. Otherwise, we do have an entry condition right here. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green the rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.